Want to know how to unmute the muted profiles in Threads app? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to unmute the muted profiles in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here there are multiple options. Tap on the privacy option. Furthermore, again you can see multiple options. Now tap on the muted option right below the online status. Here you can see the profile you have muted in Threads app. Finally, tap on the unmute button right beside the profile that you have muted. So this is how you can unmute the muted profile in Threads app. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.